How to report a post on X app, formerly known as Twitter. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the X app. After you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you'll see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to report a post on Twitter, it's a very simple process. You need to head over to the post that you want to report. Once you find the post that you want to report, in that particular report, in the top right corner, you can see the three dots icon. You'll see these in every post. So tap on these three dots, a menu will pop up like this, and at the bottom, you can see this report post option. If you tap on it, it'll take you to this page. From here, you can choose what type of issues that you are reporting. There are different categories like hate, abuse and harassment, child safety, violent speech. So you can choose accordingly, and after that, tap on next. It will ask you for further infos according to the category. You can go through it and choose accordingly too. And again, tap on next. Read the question and answer accordingly. And there you go. The report has been submitted successfully. It's a very simple process to report a post on Twitter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.